Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for your support. Big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you for your support. Okay, it's amazing. So XRP right now, it bounced off that 85 cents, which I gave you when you was up here. I said to you, you put in ABC, come down to this particular level, you know, get a bounce off it. Fantastic. And so far so good. It's bounced off that like a boss. Okay, I think it's shot around about 11%, currently trading up about 7.19%. So it's looking good. I do think that you're forming some kind of reversal pattern just there, a massive falling wedge pattern for XRP on the daily time frame. But there is equally, if we take a look on the hourly time frame just there, I think that you've got some kind of inverse head and shoulders pattern on the go here as well. If we take a look at this, you've got a level of resistance just there for XRP. Look, do you see that? So you got let's draw that a little bit like that. That's it. You've got your left shoulder, potential head, and if you start to do something like that, come back up and break that trend line, you've got a breakout target because you're putting in a higher low. Look, do you see that? So you're effectively reversing the trend, okay, and essentially like an ascending triangle. Boom, 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 break that resistance. You're going to see some upside here for XRP, at least on the hourly, okay. So it's looking good, but if you do start to see the loss of this 050 at 85 cents, all you got to do is put some cheeky bids on the golden ratio at 76 cents, because that's what it'll bounce, because it's what it does, it bounces on the fibs. Look at that, bounced on that, it's 382, picked up, you've bounced off this 050, picked up, you lose that, what are you going to do? Bounce off for 0618, and that's what it does. Now your 0618 is a nominal retracement. If you start to come lower than that, hit your head, you know, I'm going to change my bias here that you're bullish to bearish, because you'd be forming something called a reversal wave, coming back down to where you formed a wave. Do you see that? But I don't envision that. I think that XRP is really strong. I think that you're adhering to structure, you're adhering to support, and you're looking for continuation. So I am basically bullish on XRP until I'm not. Okay, so until you lose key levels of support, that is, but you're not losing any support in a minute. You're looking extremely good here for XRP. So yeah, there is some kind of reversal pattern that's forming just here on the hourly time frame. So if you start to see XRP, you know, come back up like this, put in a lower high, break this trend line, boom, you're looking at a beautiful little upside here for XRP. And like I said to you, I do think that you're forming some kind of reversal pattern here at the moment on the daily. I'm going to show you that. So you could be looking at some kind of relief rally to 103, which would be amazing, wouldn't it? You know, nice little long up of around about 8.77% there for XRP, bringing you up to that level there, $1.03. Okay, so that could be a technical target if you break this neckline. Now this neckline, you need to come to your charts, because you can see it's descending, so it's constantly changing. Basically, it is roughly around about 94 cents. So basically, if you do start to see XRP putting a low high here, higher low, sorry, starts to come up and back to some of this support, you know, you could be in a technical target to that 103, which would be lovely. But you know, at that point, I'm going to be honest with you, you're not completely out of the woods there for XRP. I'll just show you why. Because I do think that, you know, if you zoom out, this is what I would say to you, if in doubt, zoom out. I do think that what you'd be doing at that moment is just hitting a level of resistance of a falling wedge, basically, that I'll show you. So I think you're forming some kind of falling wedge at the moment. Look, this is a kind of pattern that you're forming at the moment for XRP. You see this? So with that, I do think potentially you might, looking at this, you could run into this resistance just here and still roll over. If you lose this 050 85 cents, just put some cheeky bids in the golden ratio, 76 cents, okay? Because I do think as well there is a bit of a what is a bear pennant just there, isn't there? Let's have a look at this. So you've got some kind of pennant on the go just here for XRP, okay, that we have lost support of just there. I think we lost support of it. I hate the wicks on these projects. The wicks do my head in. So you got that from there to there, and I think that you've lost support roughly, and you can see pretty much, yeah, it's a golden ratio, isn't it? That's your technical target that you're kind of in at the moment off that bear pennant. You know, so you could see something like that. You see this wick down here, where you come down, you get a little wick down, you come back into this pattern, because I do imagine that once you break this pattern just here, this sort of falling wedge pattern that you're forming here for XRP, boom, 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 you know, do something like this, come down, bounce. As soon as you break this level of resistance just here for XRP, this trend line, look, boom, boom, boom. As soon as you break that trend line, you're in a technical target to come back to where you formed the wedge. So that would be really bullish, because if you do come back up to this technical target, obviously it's a massive move up for XRP, but you are breaking out of a trend line, which I've shown you. Okay, it's this trend line just here for XRP, and this trend line is inverse head and shoulders, and equally a cup and handle pattern. look, so you've got this particular left shoulder here, which I showed you in yesterday's video, right shoulder. You start to come back, do something like this, break out this trend line, come up, okay, that's your technical target at 143. Now with that, you're breaking out this trend line, you're breaking out of a massive inverse head and shoulders, okay, which is a larger version of the one I've just shown you on the hourly time frame just there. So if you start to break out of that, look at that, boom, you're looking at $2.47 plus, wherever it is. Okay, so that's XRP. It's looking pretty good, isn't it? It's looking pretty tasty. You are holding the key level support for continuation. This is what we need to see. Like I said to you, full transparency. If you do roll over here, you start to lose the golden ratio, hit your head. The reversal wave could be really, really negative for XRP, but I don't see that. You're looking good. You're looking absolutely golden for continuation, and you're forming this beautiful reversal pattern just there. This falling wedge, break this resistance, boom, you're coming back up to there. Break that trend line, boom. See you later, alligator. It's all good. So that's XRP. You know, it could offer you if we take a look at the hourly time frame here, if you come to your chart, this particular trend line could offer a bit of a short op, to be honest with you, because if you do come up and hit that, you could open a little short down there to, you know, to at least come back down to 0.50, retest the support, or carry out the technical target to the golden ratio, because I think from that point there, and it's if you break that trend line that you're currently under, okay, that resistance, you could be looking at a monster 26% short right there, you know. Set stop losses and all that kind of business. But yeah, that's XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.